How to edit videos in bulk on InVideo. Need to update 10 videos at once? InVideo now offers tools to simplify bulk editing, especially when using templates or similar video formats. While InVideo AI doesn't offer full batch edit automation yet, there are smart ways to speed things up. Start by creating a template video using one script. Add all the necessary branding, font style, music, and scene transitions. Save this project. Now, duplicate this template multiple times. Each one becomes the base for a new video. Open each duplicated project and replace only the script or key visuals, because your layout, timing, and style are already set. You can edit multiple projects quickly without starting from scratch. Some features like bulk script import or voiceover, auto-generation are available in higher tier plans. If you're editing 5 or 10 videos with similar themes, like news updates or daily quotes, using this copy and paste workflow saves a ton of time. For best efficiency, batch export all videos together. This way, you maintain consistency and reduce the need for manual rework. InVideo makes it easy to scale video creation while maintaining quality.